All right, so you can see here we're in the middle of a painting, and some parts are usually done. This is the evening sky. You can see the shades of the red and yellow, and under it you can see the mountains, some snowfalls on the top. Now we are going to draw the the sun, evening sun, and the few birds returning home, and then the drawing is going to be complete. Stay with us and see how we paint the whole thing. All right, so we're taking the white color to draw a paint a sun here. So I'm taking the white color and going to make a whole circle. All right. Mm-hmm. As you know, the brush strokes, it's like a freehand movement, so you always try to make it as good circle as possible. Maybe it's not going to be the very good circle all the time, but we always try our best. Okay, so this is it. Maybe we put few dots in the sky here. Okay, to do some details. Okay, and I'm going to draw three birds which is flying back to home. Okay, so you know how to paint the birds. Just putting like this and one like this. Usually these two are the wings. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So this is it. Maybe putting some shades here at the bottom and making the painting little bit interesting for the mountains. Okay. Along the border lines. Okay, so you can see this is very simple and easy, and you can do practice at home, and the drawing is going to be very good, the painting, the basic painting. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.